Another day, another mountain. Tucson, Arizona. Tuck Town. The old Pueblo. Welcome to my city, y'all. We're heading to a roundabout, my friends, and then we're going to go around and about and back. We're going to make a circle. I understand that making a circle doesn't sound very exciting. However, you haven't done it yet, so just bear with me as we rock and roll. The same as yesterday, my USB condenser microphone is still dead. So we are going to use an iPad again as a microphone and fix it with editing software. All right, let's speed this up. Right now, the video is running at 200%. That's double what I filmed it, which means the car is traveling twice as fast. We're going to periodically speed it up and slow it down. Like right now, back to normal. This first part is basically just a test so you understand what's happening. Do not worry, there will not be a quiz. Actually, I'm not sure. Anyway, here we go, the last part, and then we'll just move on from this. Every stoplight, we're going to speed up to 500%. All right, that's pretty much it. Fast, fast, slow, slow. Stoplights, no, no. All right, let's go. Let's go towards that mountain. The water under this bridge, to the left and right, it is so clear, it doesn't even look like it's there. Take that, Montana. That was a joke, everybody. I am aware there's no water in that river. And Montana, I love you. All right, let's speed this back up. I'll say it for us. Whee! Well, everybody, we've made it to the most scenic part of our journey. So we're going to slow this down to normal speed, get back to basics for a minute, and make this driving video. My friends, I will be back. Until then, enjoy the desert. Just as promised, we're going to go around a roundabout, right back around and right back down. Thank you again for joining me. I hope everyone's doing all right. Let's speed this back up again and take off up this hill. 3, 2, 1, hauling ASS. Whee! Who else thinks after watching this that the speed limit should be doubled? This is efficient, no? Well, don't mind us. We're just cruising through at a extremely high rate of speed. I make these videos for me. I'm aware nobody watches, but I have to create. It's internal. I draw, I paint, I make music. I create in every single way I can. Poetry, writing, and this is just another outlet of that. Thank you very much for watching. Even though we've made this last few without a USB microphone, I mean, we just do what we can, you know? Summer's coming. I know that means wonderful things for you, but for me that means it's going to be 110 degrees. I'm still going to film, but you won't feel the heat. However, it will be exciting to see this year how long the GoPro lasts in the heat before it shuts off. Wow, we made great time through there. We have arrived at the end of the video. For the record, I love Arizona. I don't care if it's 110 in the summer or not. Also, thank you for bearing with me through our microphone situation. As you know, we're using an iPad as a microphone. Whatever you do with the rest of your day, make it amazing. I give all the glory to God. Later, y'all. Welcome to my life.